BJP has just had a historic win in West Bengal, and let me tell you what it means. On May 4th, 2026, West Bengal recorded its highest voter turnaround in history, which is 92.93%. The BJP, which held 77 seats in 2021, crossed 200 seats in 294 members assembly. 15 years of Trinamool Congress rule ended overnight. And what does it matter to you and to your money? So, West Bengal has been sitting on a gold mine it couldn't access. The Tajpur deep sea port, a rupees 25,000 crore project, was blocked for years. The Singarur industrial land, 2,000 acres, has been empty since 2008. Central infrastructure projects worth 18,700 crore had been stalled in center station friction. All of that is unlocked now. The industry body Bengal Chamber of Commerce called this as overwhelming mandate for industrial revival. Stocks moved before the results were even final. Bandhan Bank, Kolkata based, surged on investors' confidence. Adani Ports, the forerunner of Tajpur, jumped. Jupiter Wagon, Titagarh Railway, Texmaco all rallied. This is what happens when a 15 years of friction between state government and the center suddenly disappear. Let me tell you, there are some more companies which you can keep definitely on your radar. Let me just tell you all of these one by one. सो अगर हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्ले की बात करते हैं तो लार्सन एंड टूब्रो, इरकॉन इंटरनेशनल, अशोका बिल्डकॉन, जीआर इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड पीएनसी इंफ्राटेक. पोर्ट एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स की बात करेंगे तो अदानी पोर्ट्स, एसईजेड, ताजपुर, एंड देन कंटेनर कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया विच इज कॉनकॉर्ड, जुपिटर वैगन. और अगर एनर्जी की बात करेंगे तो गेल इंडिया, कोल इंडिया. डिफेंस की बात करेंगे तो गोल्ड शिप बिल्डर्स, जीआरएससी. कंज्यूमर एंड मटेरियल्स की बात करेंगे तो बर्जर पेंट्स, बिरला कॉर्पोरेशन, बंधन बैंक. These are the ones you can keep on radar. But I have picked up one very important stock for you, which particularly belongs to West Bengal, IFB Agro. Keep it on your radar. If you want to hear its whole analysis, join me on YouTube.